In today's video, I'm going to teach you several easy ways to insert the trademark symbol in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you work with brand names, logos, or product titles, adding the small TM helps your slides look accurate and polished. I'll walk you through two simple methods that work the same on both Windows and Mac, plus a few tips to keep everything looking consistent. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Open the presentation where you want to add the trademark symbol, or create a new slide if you're starting fresh. Click into the text box or placeholder where the name will appear so the symbol goes exactly where you need it. The first method uses the built-in symbol menu. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen, choose Symbol, then click Symbol again to open the full character dialog. You'll see a grid of characters from the current font. To keep the symbol consistent with your text, make sure the font is set to something common like Arial or Calibri, or simply match whatever font your slide already uses. Now scroll through the list until you find the trademark symbol, the tiny TM. Click it once to select, then click Insert. When you're done, close the dialog box. The symbol will land right at your cursor, and because you matched the font, it should blend seamlessly with the surrounding text. The second method is great when you want quick control over the look. Type the letters TM immediately after the word. Select those two letters, go to the Home tab, and open the Font dialog launcher. The small arrow in the corner of the Font section. In the dialog, enable Superscript. This raises and shrinks the TM so it resembles the formal trademark style. Click OK, and you're done. This approach is especially handy if you're customizing size or spacing across different slide designs. Once the symbol is in place, you can format it just like any other text. Adjust the font size to match your heading or body text, change the color if needed, and align it so it sits neatly without crowding the word. If it feels too bold or large, drop the font size a point or two so it appears subtle and professional. For consistency across your deck, copy the styled symbol and paste it wherever you need it. That way, every instance looks the same. And that's it. Two easy ways to add the trademark symbol in PowerPoint, whether you prefer picking it from the symbol menu or formatting TM with Superscript. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.